Hi guys, so this is my quick analysis on gold, guys. So if you're watching my previous analysis of gold, I predicted gold to push a little bit to the downside until otherwise happened, and that was because of my strategy, right? We were currently around my negative 27% fib level, and that is a reversal zone slash area based on my strategy, right? And we can see this impulsive candle right here as well. So that those are the confluences I had for my bias to be a short sell rather than a buy. And we can also see that there was this kind of gap right around this area right here. I know it does not have to fill the gap immediately, but there is still going to come down to fill that gap. It might be now, it might be later on, but it's still going to come down to fill that gap. So those just sum up my bias on sell, and we can see that we are also rejecting multiple times around this area, so there's a possibility for us to push to the downside. And just like my first target was certainly my negative 27% fib level, which was 24,597, and I said if we still have momentum for a sell, my next TP will be 2039.23 around that area right here. But as you can see, the market does what it wants to do, and that's why there's a saying that says you don't predict the market to react to the market. So we can see that we just continue to tank to the upside. So as soon as I saw this engulfing candle close above this zone right here, I know there's a possibility that we might just continue to push to the upside, but I just wanted to be sure that it wasn't a fake out, because that where it's rejected from was my 88.6% fib level, and there's a possibility that we might still drop around that area. But as you can see that when it came down to retest this break of structure right here, the break of structure. As soon as we started this bit of structure, it gave us the we trusted it, it gave us the higher low right here. I knew we are going to continue to push to the upside, guys. So that is how I actually treat that. Just because I analyze something right here doesn't mean it has to do exactly what I do. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't, and that is how the market is. So you just react to the market. So I'm just going to delete my previous analysis, guys, and reanalyze based on this current price market, and let's see what the market is giving us, guys. So we can see that I thought we were long overdue with buy, to be honest, because one, we got to my negative 27% fib level. We touched this trend line right here to retest. I was expecting at least coming down a little bit to at least touch this trend line, even though we are going to push to the upside. Maybe touch this trend line, give us like a first touch, a second touch, a possible third touch before we now continue to tank to the upside, because we know that we still have my negative 61.8% fib level to eat if you're going to continue to push to the upside, guys. So as you can see that the market does what it wants to do. The market's our boss. It directs us, we just follow directions. Basically, that's how the market is. So now let me go to a bigger time frame just to look at the overall market. I think I'm just gonna readjust this trend line, guys. That's what I think I'm gonna do, because let's see. So that, because when we got to this trend line, guys, though we are going to push the downside, and you can also see at my bigger time frame, this is the daily time frame. We can see that when we rejected around this trend line, we saw this engulfing candle. So that actually just make me think we're going to push to the downside, and that is why no strategies are only good, right? No strategies are only good. Like, everything was just giving me bias of a sell, to be honest. But as you can see, the market does what it wants to do, and that is fine. I just think, because we might still continue to tank to the downside, this is still a down move on a bigger time frame, as we are seeing. Even though we push up to around this area right here, which is 2135, we might still push up around this area and still continue to give us to the down move, sort of giving us like an M pattern, then continue to put it down move. So even despite the fact that we are pushing up already, as long as it does not break this structure, guys, we might still see a sell on on gold overall. So we might come up here and reject around 78.6% fib level. That's a possibility because of this weak rejection right here. Because of there's a long weak rejection, there's a possibility for it to at least fill half of the weak rejection before turning to the other side, right? Or we might reject around my 88.6% fib level before tanking to the downside. Or we might actually just still push up to like the 100% fib level to give us like an M pattern, like I said, for us to continue to push to the downside. So that's a possibility, guys. So based on that, I just think I'm going to adjust my trend line right here to fit in this previous one, just to see what we are looking for. Let me go to my 4-hour time frame right here. So we can see that it's still giving us delete this one so that I just want it to be as clean as possible. So we can see right around this area right here that this engulfing candle right here, so certainly at least we can touch my negative 27% fib level right here, which is 29.3. That is a target I am looking forward to right now, since we are going to continue to tank to the upside. But let's see how the market closes around my 4-hour time frame before we now decide, because it might give us an engulfing candle right now, but it might not be. But let's go to a smaller time frame. So you can see that the 3 hours is done and it gave us this close the engulfing candle. So I see a possibility of it actually continuing to push to the upside because the buys are in the market. So I can draw another trend line right here. Okay, I see. Let's okay, we can see that it's going to tank. So let's just see, there is this is the break of structure it broke. Let's just see how the market plays out, because there's a possibility that I think let's see, it adjusted. Let's be accurate. So we might actually tank to the downside, because we can see that the momentum of buy around my shorter time frame, this is an hour time frame, is getting slower. So we might tank to the upside a little bit. Let me see, my 30 minutes, my 15 minutes. Okay, I think so. My overall TP on gold right now will be right around here, 2032. So let's see, coordinate 2032. So that is my overall TP on gold, guys. So we can do something like this and just eat my TP, or we might still continue to tank a little bit to the downside. So this is a possibility you're looking for, then tank to the upside. So let's just watch out how the market goes, because we are currently on a up move, guys. Let me draw a fib right here just to see from point A here to point B. You can see perfect, aligns with my previous negative 61.8% fib level. We can see that aligns well. So let me go to my 5-minute time frame and see. Let me see how the market react. Does this reaction react around a fib level? Yep, it does. It's reacted around my 23.6% fib level. So thanking to the upside, certainly. Let's change that color to this. So I'm just seeing a continuation move, because we can see it's not really that clear on a little bit bigger time frame, but this is the 5-minute time frame, and we can see that we had this impulsive, right? We rejected around my 23% fib level, and now we are pushing to continue to push to the upside, right? So I just think right now we're just going to continue to tank to the upside. We're going to get to 2087 first. Let's see, from here to here, this will be like a very short peep, right? Yeah, from here to here, like 38 pips. So just from here to here is like 38 pips, guys. But overall, you're gonna push up to right here, which is about 105 pips. Yeah, so I'm expecting to at least get to 105 pips, guys. Yes, guys, let's just see how it happens. We're going to continue to tank to the upside. I don't think we'll push down more. Let me delete this one. Based on the fact that on the smaller time frame, we rejected around 23.2% fib level. So know that for someone that just want to take a short buy from here to here, which I said was around 38 pips, that is not that bad. You can just put right here, so we can see that we are getting there too. So I'm just gonna put from here to here as well. So that is my quick thought on gold, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.